Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be demonstrating an app called Huji, which is used for taking photos. The app's interface designed to mimic the experience of using a disposable camera. Huji gives your photos distinct colors and a vibe reminiscent of the Fuji aesthetic. It's free and easy to navigate. The app includes different features like a selfie mode, a random light effect, and it also has a timer and a flashlight. I'll show you some pictures I've taken in the past using Huji so you can see what it's capable of. And although a phone and the Huji app can't replace a Fuji camera, this video will show how to use your phone for street photography. With Huji, you can get a unique look for your photos without heavy editing or filters. Photography is all about capturing moments, and the Huji app makes it so easy. It's just you, your phone, and the app. These photos taken over the years remind me of the places that shaped my memories and take me back to those moments. Here are some shots I took with Huji on my last trip to Shanghai. First, East Nanjing Road, always buzzing with lights and life. Then Yuyuan Garden, a popular tourist spot right in the heart of the city, filled with traditional architecture. Tianzifang is this cool maze of alleyways packed with art, shops, and cafes. Wukan Mansion has this old-school charm, just a beautiful classic piece of Shanghai. M50 is a creative hub, art studios, galleries, and some awesome street art. Next up is Thamestown, a little slice of England right in the middle of Shanghai. And finally, the Bund. It's one of the most distinctive destinations in Shanghai, where history meets the future, with those iconic historic buildings facing the modern skyline. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this. Now go and do something productive, like subscribing to my channel. See you guys in the next one.